right in this world. I did everything I could to achieve my goal of becoming a superhero. So aside from singing, I guess you're wondering what makes me a superhero. I thought you'd never ask. Well, if I'm faced with any bad guys, I have this one particular talent. I call it the Canary cry. Ready? You might want to cover your ears for this. It certainly comes in handy when I need to take out an enemy or two. And I can scream a lot louder when I need to. But listen, Gotham, it's time for some real talk. This city is overrun with criminals, and it only seems to be getting worse.